Hello, this is Space Daily News channel. NASA's SpaceX Crew-4 astronauts aboard the Dragon spacecraft safely splashed down on Friday, October 14, completing the agency's fourth commercial crew mission to the International Space Station. The international crew of 4 spent 170 days in orbit. NASA astronauts Bob Hines, Kjell Lindgren and Jessica Watkins and European Space Agency astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti returned to Earth. Teams aboard SpaceX recovery vessels retrieved the spacecraft and astronauts. After returning to shore, all astronauts will fly to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. Cristoforetti then will board a plane to Europe. Hines, Lindgren, and Watkins and Cristoforetti traveled more than 72 million miles during their mission, spent 170 days aboard the space station, and completed 2,720 orbits around Earth. Throughout their mission, the Crew-4 astronauts contributed to a host of science and maintenance activities and technology demonstrations. Cristoforetti completed 2 spacewalks with Roscosmos cosmonaut Oleg Artemyev to perform station maintenance and upgrades. Crew-4 continued work on many investigations, such as determining the effect of fuel temperature on the flammability of material, studying changes in the human immune system similar to aging, and examined a concrete alternative made with the material found in lunar and Martian dust. The spacecraft, named Freedom by Crew-4, will return to Florida for inspection and processing, where teams will examine the spacecraft's data and performance throughout the flight. Space Daily News, thanks for watching.